last video, we had a good look at different aspects of build quality of the Realme 10 Pro 5G, like the scratch resistance, drop test, and most importantly, the bend test, where the Realme 9 Pro was a massive fail. In this video, we are checking into the water resistance test. In the ongoing olefinic bath test, we are checking for the presence of olefinic coating on the tempered glass protection. All devices under me has been doing excellent in this area with zero cutting of cost, unlike many BBK and Realme devices, which has been a disadvantage for the end consumers and dedicated loyal fans of the brand. We also need to keep a close eye for early signs of liquid damage like distorted audio, since the Realme 9 Pro was a massive liquid fail. There is no negative effect on the audio as yet from both speakers, a very critical factor, and that's why we are at the light splashing round. Most importantly, we did find olefinic coating, so that's some rare good stuff. An IP rating on a budget device is always awesome, though the Realme 10 Pro has no official IP rating as is usual with Realme as a cost cut, but you do find the rubber sealant as usual. Though we can never get too comfortable since electronics and liquid obviously isn't supposed to mix. But the hope is definitely there that the 10 Pro 5G does survive undamaged from the liquid abuse without IP as usual, especially since the Realme 9 Pro was a water test disaster. Besides the audio not being affected at this stage, no other temporary issues can be noticed. No headphone icon issue, camera fogging or black screen issues as yet. The 10 Pro 5G seems to be going great in the opposite direction versus the 9 Pro. No signs of temporary issues, and most importantly, no permanent display damage like the Realme 9 Pro or the Realme GT Neo 3T, fortunately. The Realme 10 Pro 5G passes a water test and keeps up the good non-IP record of Realme, except of course the 9 Pro and GT Neo 3T.